Hey there! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of research methodologies, specifically focusing on how researchers choose their participants. We're looking at two popular non-probability sampling techniques, quota sampling and purposive sampling. So, let's kick things off with quota sampling. Imagine you're a researcher and you need a sample that mirrors the broader population. You'll first divide the population into distinct groups, maybe based on age, gender, or income levels. Then, you'll select individuals from each group to match predetermined quotas. For instance, if 40% of a town's population are men, you'll make sure 40% of your sample are men too. The catch? It's not random. You're selecting people purposefully to fit these quotas, aiming to reflect the population's demographic makeup. This method is super useful when you can't sample everyone and when you're strapped for time and resources. But remember, if the quotas aren't spot on, you might end up with some bias in your results. Now switch gears to purposive sampling. This method is all about judgment calls. Researchers pick participants based on specific characteristics that are crucial to the research question. It's also non-random. But here, you're selecting people because they bring something unique to the study, be it their knowledge, experience, or perhaps a particular expertise. There are several flavors of purposive sampling too, like maximum variation sampling, where you pick participants who are very different from each other, and homogeneous sampling, where you pick participants who are very similar. This technique is a favorite in qualitative research, case studies, or when you want to dive deep into a specific phenomenon or perspective. So, what's the big difference? Quota sampling is all about mirroring the demographic layout of a population, aiming for a balanced representation, while purposive sampling targets individuals who offer the most relevant insights, focusing on the quality and depth of information rather than representation. Both methods have their unique strengths and are chosen based on the research goals. So next time you read a study or hear about research findings, you'll have a better grasp of how the participants were chosen and why that matters. Thanks for tuning in and keep questioning the world around you.